Hey guys, today I want to learn how to check sent request on Snapchat, and all you have to do is to head on over to your Snapchat application, and then from here you're going to head on over to your profile, and then you're going to scroll down until you see at the friends messages that you did send anyone a friend requests. You can just try by heading over to the three dots, and you're going to check on recently added, and these are going to be the people that you did send them a friend request and they added you. If you want to check now the people that you sent them a friend request and they pick not answer, you can just tap on this icon. Then you're going to tap on the gear icon. Then you're going to scroll down until you see my data. And here at my data, you are going to download your information. So from here, you're going to scroll down, then you're going to tap on next. From there, you're going to tap on submit, and our Snapchat is going to a notification with a file informing you that your data is available, and you're going to download that file. From there, you're going to unzip it, and once you've already finished unzipping it, you're going to see the people that you have sent them a friend request. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.